Ready to ditch the ordinary and weave your way to a more sustainable style. First, gather your recycled materials, fabric scraps from old clothes, colorful paper from magazines, or even plastic bags can work. The key is variety in color and texture to mimic the distinct lines of plaid. Next, cut your materials into strips. Aim for consistent widths. About half an inch to an inch is a good start. Remember, straight lines will make the plaid pattern cleaner. Now, arrange your first set of strips parallel to each other on a flat surface. You can use a piece of cardboard or fabric as a base. A little bit of space between each strip helps with the weaving. Begin weaving your second set of strips perpendicular to the first. Follow the over-under pattern. Make sure to alternate with each new strip to create the classic plaid interlock. As you weave, gently adjust the strips to tighten the weave and create a more cohesive pattern. Don't be afraid to experiment with different color combinations and strip widths. Secure the edges with glue or by sewing to prevent fraying. Get creative. Use your recycled plaid for unique artwork, patches, or to cover notebooks. Subscribe for more upcycling ideas and let's create a more sustainable world, one plaid pattern at a time.